Imagine holding the key to the universe, the key that unlocks your destiny. This key, my friends, isn't a physical one, but a vibrational one. It is the power of vibration, a concept that is deeply intertwined with our life experiences and our very existence. Everything in our universe, from the smallest particle to the grandest galaxy, is in a state of vibration. From the humming of the earth to the rhythm of our own heartbeat, vibrations are at the core of life. And just as a string on a guitar vibrates to create a beautiful melody, our vibrations can create the symphony of our lives. Now let's delve into the depths of this concept. Our thoughts, our emotions, our actions, they all carry specific vibrations. Positive thoughts produce higher vibrations, while negative ones lower our vibrational frequency. These vibrations, in turn, interact with the universe around us, and like a boomerang, what we send out, we receive back. This is the essence of the law of attraction. Raising your vibration, therefore, can have a profound impact on your life. It can attract positivity, happiness, and success. It's like tuning into a radio frequency that plays your favorite song. When you raise your vibration, you tune into a frequency that resonates with your aspirations, your dreams, your destiny. But it's not just about achieving success or manifesting dreams. It's about living a fulfilling life. When you vibrate at a higher frequency, you radiate positivity and attract similar energy. You start to experience life in its truest form, full of joy, love, and fulfillment. You start living authentically, aligned with your true self. Harnessing the power of vibration isn't just about success, it's about living a fulfilling life. It's about creating a harmonious symphony with the universe, a symphony that resonates with your destiny. So let's embark on this journey together, a journey to raise our vibrations and manifest our destiny. Once upon a time, in a town not too different from yours, lived a man named John. John was an everyman, living an average life, steeped in routine and predictability. His life, like many others, was a series of unremarkable days, one blending into the next. His existence, while comfortable, lacked the vibrancy and fulfillment he craved. One day, John stumbled upon an ancient wisdom, the power of raising one's vibration. He discovered that every living being, every thought, and every emotion has a vibrational frequency. He understood that by elevating his own frequency, he could change his life's trajectory, manifest his deepest desires, and carve out a destiny of his choosing. Driven by this newfound knowledge, John embarked on a transformative journey. He began to consciously raise his vibration. He embraced gratitude, nurtured positive thoughts, and took actions aligned with his highest self. He practiced meditation and mindfulness, grounding himself in the present moment. He started to consume nourishing foods, exercised regularly, and surrounded himself with people who uplifted him. As John's vibration began to rise, so did his life's quality. He noticed a shift in his perspective, a newfound optimism and a sense of peace that had previously eluded him. His relationships improved, his health flourished, and opportunities he'd only dreamed of began to appear. John's life was no longer average, but an extraordinary journey filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. He had manifested a destiny that was truly his own, one that resonated with his highest vibration. John's transformation was not a result of luck or coincidence. It was the outcome of conscious, deliberate choices to elevate his vibration and align with the energy of his desires. His story is a powerful reminder that we are not mere spectators in our lives, but active participants with the ability to shape our destiny. John's story isn't a fairy tale, it's a testament to the power we all possess. Just like John, you too hold the power to alter your vibration. Every single one of us has within us an innate ability, a potential that's waiting to be unlocked. This potential is the power to raise our vibration. But what does that really mean? In essence, It's about elevating your state of being, your energy, your essence, to a higher level. It's about transforming yourself from a state of fear, worry, or stress to one of love, joy, and peace. But how do we do that? It's not a switch that you flip, nor a button you press. It's a conscious choice that requires consistent effort. It's about making the decision every single day to choose positivity over negativity, love over fear, and peace over chaos. It's about being mindful of your thoughts, your words, your actions, and your reactions. It's about recognizing when you're falling into a negative state and consciously choosing to shift your focus. Think of it as a garden. You are the gardener, and your thoughts, your words, and your actions are the seeds. If you plant seeds of negativity, you'll grow a garden of fear, worry, and stress. But if you plant seeds of positivity, you'll grow a garden of love, joy, and peace. The key here is to be consistent. Just as a garden doesn't grow overnight, neither does a high vibration. It requires daily care, daily effort. You need to water your seeds of positivity, to give them sunshine, to pull out the weeds of negativity. It's not always easy, but the rewards are worth it. When you raise your vibration, you attract positive experiences, people, and opportunities. You start to manifest your dreams, your goals, your destiny. Remember, your vibration is in your hands. You have the power to choose, to change, to grow. And when you do, you'll find that the universe responds in kind. So take up the challenge. Choose to raise your vibration, to elevate your state of being. Because at the end of the day, the key to your destiny lies in your hands. It's time to unlock your potential, and here's how you can do it. In the grand theater of life, your vibration is the music that orchestrates your reality. It's the invisible yet palpable energy that influences your experiences, your relationships, and ultimately, your destiny. So, how can you fine-tune this energy and raise your vibration? Here are some practical, everyday tips that you can incorporate into your life. Firstly, let's talk about mindfulness. Mindfulness is the act of being fully present in the moment, of immersing yourself in the here and now without judgment. It's about acknowledging your thoughts and feelings without being swept away by them. You can practice mindfulness through meditation, mindful eating, or even just taking a moment to observe your surroundings. Mindfulness helps you tune into your inner self and align with the natural rhythm of life, thereby raising your vibration. Next, let's discuss gratitude. The practice of gratitude is a powerful tool to raise your vibration. It shifts your focus from what's missing in your life to the abundance that's already present. Start with a simple gratitude journal. Every day, jot down 3 things you are grateful for. They can be as simple as the smell of fresh coffee in the morning or the warmth of the sun on your skin. This shift in perspective will raise your vibration by aligning you with the frequency of abundance and joy. Now let's delve into the world of positive affirmations. These are powerful statements that you repeat to yourself, effectively reprogramming your subconscious mind. Positive affirmations like "I am worthy," "I am abundant," or "I am healthy" can help you replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones, thus raising your vibration. Healthy lifestyle choices are yet another avenue to raise your vibration. The food you eat, the amount of sleep you get, the exercise you do, all of these directly impact your vibrational frequency. Opt for nutritious, high vibrational foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Make sure you get enough rest and engage in regular physical activity. A healthy body is a vessel for a high vibrational spirit. Lastly, surround yourself with positivity. The people you interact with, the books you read, the media you consume, all of these influence your vibration. Choose to engage with what uplifts you, what inspires you, what makes you feel good. This doesn't mean avoiding negative emotions or experiences, but rather learning to navigate them with grace and positivity. Remember, raising your vibration is not a one-time event, but a lifelong journey. It's about consistently choosing thoughts, feelings, and actions that align with your highest self. It's about embodying the energy of love, joy, and abundance, and letting that energy ripple out into the world. These are not just activities, they're stepping stones to your destiny. The path is clear, and your destiny awaits. Now that we've journeyed together through the understanding of vibration, its power, and how to raise it, it's time to apply this knowledge to manifest your destiny. It's time to step forward and claim your future. You see, manifesting your destiny isn't something that happens overnight. It's a process, a journey, a continuous effort of aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your highest vibration. And this journey, my friends, begins with a single step: taking action. Yes, it's easy to sit back and dream about the life you want to lead, the person you want to become. But dreams remain dreams until you breathe life into them with your actions. So, start practicing the tips we've shared. Meditate daily, practice gratitude, surround yourself with positivity, eat healthily, exercise, and most importantly, be consistent. Consistency is the key to raising your vibration and manifesting your destiny. It's not about making a huge change all at once, but about making small, consistent changes over time. It's about creating a routine that aligns with your highest self, your highest vibration. It's about making a commitment to yourself, to your future, and sticking to it. And as you do this, you'll notice a shift in your thoughts, in your emotions, in your actions, and in your life. You'll start attracting opportunities that align with your destiny. You'll start experiencing synchronicities, those magical moments when everything seems to fall into place. And you'll realize that you're not just dreaming your destiny, you're living it. But remember, raising your vibration and manifesting your destiny isn't a destination, it's a journey. It's a journey of self-discovery, of growth, of transformation. It's a journey that's unique to you, that's as beautiful and as complex as you are. Remember, life is a journey to experience a fulfilling destiny. Don't just exist, live. And as you embark on this journey, remember to cherish every moment, every step, because each one is a part of your destiny.